Welcome back everyone. I'm on round 4 of 4. Each round consists of one blaster, one full-size retail box of 17-18 Optic basketball. First round I got an auto out of the big box, and second round I did not get an autograph at all. Round 3 I got an auto out of the blaster box and the main, well, one was a redemption, but 2 autos, so that was kind of crazy. Basically what we've gotten to at this point is I haven't pulled a single Donovan Mitchell rated rookie, so at this point I'm just really curious to see if I get one at all out of all of this. I mean, this is a lot of product to open to not pull a single Donovan Mitchell card, so that's kind of what I'm interested in here at this last round. Obviously I'm hoping for some good rookie parallels still, and I've done pretty well. Overall, I think I've done pretty well. I'm pretty happy with the results. But I am curious about this Donovan Mitchell mystery. The big retail boxes have purple parallels. Well, the blasters do as well. And I've pulled a couple of decent rated rookie purples, so that's been good. I've been able to definitely stock up on some of the better rookies of the class. I have a lot of Jason Tatums now, probably 4 or 5. Some Lonzos. Oh, I did get a purple Dennis Smith Jr. Just really no Donovan Mitchell. That's pretty much the only thing missing here. Alright, I think I'll start with the blaster packs. Still can't believe I pulled an autograph out of the blaster. That's crazy. Tyler Lydon rated rookie. Derek White rookie kings. Ivan Robb rated rookie, and a Jonathan Isaac rookie kings prism. Markelle Fultz. A sweet Kyle Kuzma purple rated rookie. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Yay! Hey, that's a good one. Yeah, these blasters have been pretty good to me. Alonzo Mourning, Hawkins. Anobi. I'm wondering if I can make this set now. I've opened so much of this, not just in these rounds of breaks, but before. I've opened probably, there's Tyler Dorsey, 3 or 4 of these boxes. Steph Curry prism, nice. And the last pack from the blaster has a Harry Giles, a Donovan Mitchell. It's the insert rookie kings, but I'll take it. There's one. Let's see if we can get the rated rookie too. I can't believe it took opening all of that to get one of those. Craziness. Rajon Rondo, Pete Maravich, Hawkins, Zach Collins rated rookie. Anobi rookie kings prism. Gorgeous card. There it is. There he is. Well, that mystery solved. He is here, but it took 4 blasters and 4 large retail boxes to pull. So I don't know, is he short printed? Does anybody know? Because honestly, that seems kind of crazy. Although I don't think the value of that card would reflect that he was short printed, so maybe this was just a weird collation on the part of Panini. Here's a Steph Curry Court Kings, which is most likely the case. Panini's known for doing some weird crap. Here's a purple Dwayne Wade and a Luke Kennard rated rookie. Purple Amir Johnson and Frank Mason III. Autograph of Jared Jeffries. Looks to be the purple parallel version. So another autograph. Isaiah Thomas, Court Kings blue to 85. Yeah, this stuff has just been good. I like it. I like the price point. I like what you get. I like this rookie class. I'm very, very happy with this purchase. Here's a purple Joel Embiid, very nice, and a Josh Hart rated rookie. I'm still, when I started buying basketball this year, I'm still really stunned at how much more affordable basketball boxes are to football and baseball. Especially if this rookie class is as good as people think they're going to be. I mean, of course, the price of this stuff could shoot through the moon. Who knows? Ntilikina, purple rookie Kings, and a Dennis Smith Jr. We may look back on this stuff and be like, you bought that for how much? Rookie Kings, Terrence Ferguson, and a Ojale rated rookie. Of course, we all know the Prism's expensive as can be, which I do have a box of, a full retail box of that on the way again. Gonna take my chances, roll the dice for a third time. One box, my first box was just really good to me, and that kind of spoiled me, and then I kind of got smacked in the face with the second one. We'll see what happens on round 3. Also did a box of the big value packs and did not do very well there. Court Kings, purple Miles Turner, and a Sterling Brown. I don't know that I would repeat that again. I'll gamble, but there's limits to what I'm gonna do. Here's a Court Kings Jokic. Caleb Swanigan, rookie Kings. And Klay Thompson, Court Kings. Down to the last couple of packs. Can we get another Tatum out of this? Maybe. Kevin Love, purple. Ah, damn it. Wrong stack. Justin Patton. Court Kings, Andrew Wiggins. Hall Kings, Allen Iverson. And our last pack of round 4 has the following: a Hall Kings, Jerry West, and a Wes Iwundu rated rookie card. And that is it, my friends. That is a lot of Optic. These are some of my stacks of inserts and parallels. I'm breaking them all out. Here they come. There's some more. There's some more. Whoo, that's a lot of Optic. I've got a lot of cards to list. You'll find some of this stuff in my eBay store. You'll find a lot more of it on my online store. The links for both of those are below. If you want a certain card out of this before it gets listed, you can always email me, GameTimeCardShop@gmail.com, and I can take a PayPal payment and just send it straight out to you. I usually don't trade too often. I have to sell so that I can afford to continue buying boxes. But yeah, I'm very reasonable. If there's anything you need, I'll try to work it out with you. And if you need cards for your set, just let me know the numbers. I'll see what I can do. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Hope you're all having a great week.